Welcome to this detailed guide on how to add a row to a table in WordPress using the built-in site editor. In this tutorial, you will learn the complete process from logging in on WordPress to inserting your new row exactly where you want it within your table. We will walk you through each step, ensuring that you understand not only what to do, but also why each action is important. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to WordPress. When the WordPress homepage loads, take a moment to locate the login option near the top right corner of the page. This is the entry point for accessing your account and managing your site. Once you have identified the login area, click on it to start the sign-in process. After initiating the login, you will see an option that says Continue with Google. Select this option to simplify the login process using your existing Google account credentials. A new window or prompt will appear, allowing you to choose the Google account you want to use for authentication. Make your selection and proceed by confirming the account. This integration with Google is designed to streamline your access while keeping your credentials secure. Once you have successfully logged in, direct your attention to the Quick Links section. This area of the dashboard includes useful shortcuts for site management. Look for the link labeled Edit Site. Clicking on this will transition you into the site editor where you can make design and content updates to your website. The site editor is a powerful tool that gives you a visual overview of your entire site, making it easier to pinpoint where changes need to be made. With the site editor open, focus on the top left corner of the screen where you will notice a plus icon. Clicking on this plus icon initiates the action of adding new elements. Within the pop-up or sidebar that appears, you'll need to use the provided search or filter tool. Begin typing the word table so that the list of available table elements is filtered to show only those related to tables. This is a useful feature that minimizes the time you spend scrolling through unrelated options. After you see the table element displayed, click on it. At this stage, you will be prompted to choose exactly how many columns and rows you need for your table. Consider the layout of your content before selecting the number of columns and rows, and choose the configuration that best meets your needs. This approach allows you to customize your table to suit the specific design and functionality of your website. Once your table is in place within the editor, locate the navigation bar where editing options for table elements are available. Look for the icon that represents editing the table. Clicking on this icon grants you access to more detailed customizations and fine-tuning options for the table format. Finally, you will be provided with the option to insert a new row. This option gives you the flexibility to decide whether to insert the row before or after an existing row. Choose the appropriate insertion point to ensure your new row appears exactly where you need it in your table layout. Each of these actions is designed to be intuitive, allowing you to enhance your table's structure effortlessly. This concludes our step-by-step tutorial on adding a row to a table in WordPress. Following these clear instructions will help you manage your content effectively and improve your site's design by making necessary table adjustments. Enjoy customizing your page with ease and confidence.